Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make this chicken pie without using the oven. First, I will start by seasoning the chicken. I added salt, curry powder, add some thyme to it, blended onions and pepper, and also a seasoning cube to taste. I will cover this to cook for 10 to 30 minutes. Then I'll keep it aside to get cold because this is our chicken pie filling. While the chicken is cooking, I went ahead to add some flour in a bowl, baking powder, salt, and sugar, just a pinch of salt. Then I'll mix the dry ingredients first. So I'm not using butter for this recipe. I went ahead to use the vegetable oil, which I put in the freezer to get cold before using. But you can as well use the vegetable oil without putting it in the freezer, and it's going to come out nice, just like when you use the regular butter. So I will keep on mixing everything together until it come out this way, as you can see in the video. After mixing all the ingredients together, I went ahead to add one cracked egg. Then I continued to mix to combine all the ingredients together. Then I added milk to it to give it a very nice flavor. Then continue to mix until the dough is well formed like this. Then I set aside. At this point, our filling is ready. I'll just bring out the dough from the fridge because I put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Then I brought it out, just roll and roll. For this chicken pie recipe, I am not using the chicken pie cutter, so I will just go ahead to fill the chicken pie because it's very easy. Then use the egg wash to lock it up. I went ahead to apply the egg wash all over the edge of the dough. So I'll be using this egg wash to seal up the chicken pie because I am not using the chicken pie cutter. I'm just adding the chicken directly into the dough, then roll it out and cut. This method is very easy and very fast. If you don't want to use the cutter, you can just use this method. It saves time also. So I will just keep on applying the egg wash until I get the consistency I want. So now I went ahead to add my fillings. Today's special appreciation goes to my awesome subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching our videos. And to my amazing viewers, thank you for always stopping by to watch our videos. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and also don't forget to share this video so that it can get to a wider audience. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your love and your support. After filling the dough with the chicken, you just spread it out so that it can get to every part of the dough, so that it will not be stuck to a particular place while cutting it. Then I rolled it out. After rolling it out, I'll just cut the dough. While cutting it, now the meat is already stuck at different parts of the dough. I'll just go ahead to cut the dough. After cutting, both sides will be open, but I'll be using the fork to seal it up. Then apply the egg wash. I'll use the fork to seal both sides. After doing that, I went ahead to apply the egg wash just to seal it up. Like I said earlier, that we are not using the oven for this chicken pie. Another way to make chicken pie is also using the frying method. So I will go ahead to fry the chicken pie after applying the egg wash. In a pan, I'll put in a vegetable oil, allow it to get hot before putting the chicken pie to fry. The oil is ready and I went ahead to fry the chicken pie. We'll fry the chicken pie until it is golden brown. Once the chicken pie is golden brown, it's ready to be taken out of the oil. I love this method because it's very easy, and if you don't have the oven, you can as well enjoy your chicken pie by frying it. It's going to give you same results and it's going to be very crispy. So it's also delicious frying the chicken pie. Please don't forget to watch our video on how to bake chicken pie. I'll be linking it to this video. I would also love to know how you love to make your chicken pie. Is it using the frying method or the baking method? At this point, the chicken pie is golden brown and it is ready, so I'll just go ahead to scoop it out of the oil and allow it to get cold before serving. This chicken pie was so delicious. And one thing I love about this pie is that it came out in a different shape. It's not looking like the regular shape, so I love this shape also. And another thing is that you can enjoy your chicken pie. If you don't have the oven to bake, you can try using the frying method, and you can bake sometimes and you can also fry. It gives different flavor. I would love to know if you'll be trying this recipe. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and please don't forget to share and subscribe and also like the video. And also try making your own chicken pie using this recipe and this method. I assure you, you will love it and you will enjoy it. Then you will thank me later. Bye. See you in our next one.